Hello everybody. So the plan for today is to take these boards right here and I'm going to plane them down, and they are going to be the north wall and hopefully some more than just the north wall. I think I have enough to do that. And this other big pile of stuff that you see here, that's actually solid oak flooring that is going to be put in a bit later, and we'll be doing a video on that. So that's the plan for today. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, got a lot done today. Got all the boards installed on the north wall, and I really like the way that they turned out, the patina and stuff. And there's going to be some accents that are added a little bit later, kind of going along here and then in other areas. And also over here in this wall, once the boards get put in there, the accent strips will be put in as well on those. And again, then later, when I do the west wall, they'll be added there as well. So that's my video for today. I hope you liked it. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Today's episode is brought to you by Lead Shed Productions.